We live in hazardous times. Every second of every day, somewhere in the world, unforeseen devastating events are happening. Natural and man-made hazards that sometimes evolve into disastrous events that can harm people, businesses, and disrupt entire government systems. We may not be able to stop some hazards from happening, but we can be prepared. When an incident disrupts your business, there is no time for hesitation. When the clock is ticking, it's time for decisive action. Research has shown that businesses with business continuity plans are more likely to survive or recover following an event than those without. The Department of Disaster Management and Emergencies is launching the first Business Continuity Planning Workshop in Providenciales from the 25th to the 28th of February. This 4-day workshop will provide an opportunity for public service managers and planners to examine their ministry and departments and develop a comprehensive and reliable business continuity and contingency plan using proven industry standards and best practice strategies. Learn more about DDME's 2019 activities by visiting our website and social media platforms.